Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can change @ on Twitter. To put it in other words, today I'm going to highlight how you can change your Twitter username. So that's a very simple and quick thing to do. You just need to tap on your profile picture, launch the sliding menu, go for settings and privacy option, then enter your account category over here, then go for the account information, tap at your username and set a new one. I'll just change it to hardq underscore. Where's the underscore? Oh my god, am I blind? Let me just find it real quick. That's strange. Okay, I'll just change it to, let's say, hardq.reset instead of hardq_reset. Okay, I cannot. Then I'll just remove all characters except letters. So hardq reset, like that. And then add a digit 1. That's always a challenge to create a unique username. So from here, once you're ready to save your changes, just tap at the done option at the top right. And as you can see, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.